Hello there, I'll show you how to change your Volvo remote control battery. You need just a screwdriver, like a small screwdriver. Pull your key thing from here, pull it out, then this thing, the lock for the key thing, just put your screwdriver inside there and just pull it. So yep, there we go. It has two batteries in here. They size CR2430. There's two of them, and that's how you replace them. Two batteries like this. Then to put everything back together, it's just put them this top piece and the top one. Look it. Yep, it's ready. And put your insert key inside there. Yep, easy and simple. Thank you.